4, we are given a question on special angles. So in this question, we are asked to evaluate tan 30 degrees plus sine 60 degrees. So we want to evaluate tan 30 degrees plus sine 60 degrees. So how do you solve this? The very first thing you need to do is know the value of your special angle. Now we are making use of 30 and 60 degrees. A quick one, let's have a tabular form that have our angles to be here. That means my sine theta, my cos theta, and my tan theta. And at the bottom, we're going to have our 30 degrees. Then we're going to have our 60 degrees. So anytime you have to find sine 30 degrees, it's always 1 over 2. While cos 30 degrees is root 3 over 2. And the other way around, for this case, if you are finding your sine 60 degrees, that's root 3 over 2. While your cos 60 degrees is 1 over 2. But for you to get the case of your tan 30 degrees, just make use of the formula that says tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. And the value of my sine theta, if I'm looking for tan 30 degrees, all I need to say is 1 over 2 divided by cos 30 degrees is root 3 over 2. So in this case, I'm going to have it as 1 over root 3. So that's my tan 30 degrees. So if I want to get my tan 60 degrees, the same thing I'm going to apply to it. I'm going to say tan 60 degrees will be, this time around we are having as root 3 over 2 because tan cos 60, sine 60 rather, is root 3 over 2 and divided by 1 over 2. At this case, we're going to have that tan 60 just root 3. So at this case, we have that our tan 60 is root 3. So these are the special angles for angle 30 degrees and angle 60 degrees. But the question goes on by asking us, what are we going to have if we are asked to evaluate tan 30 degrees plus sine 60 degrees? Now the value of tan 30 degrees, like I told you, is 1 over root 3. So in this case, we are going to have that 1 over root 3 plus your sine 60 degrees. The value of sine 60 degrees is given to be root 3 over 2. So I'm having here as what? Root 3 over 2. The very first thing you need to do to make it work faster is that you can rationalize it. If I try to rationalize that, I'm going to have 1 over root 3. Let's put that in bracket. Then root 3 all over root 3. Then we have our plus root 3 over 2. So when I try to multiply this, 1 multiplied by root 3, I'm going to have the answer to be root 3. Anytime you're multiplying roots of the same number, we are going to have the same number as 3 plus root 3 all over 2. Now it can be easy to solve. Find the LCM between 3 and 2. The LCM between 3 and 2 is 6. So we have here 6, then 3 in 6 will give us 3 in 6 will give us 2. 2 times root 3, that's 2 root 3 plus the other one, 2 in 6 will give us 3, then 3 times root 3 will give us 3 root 3. 3 root 3. So with the help of this, you can add up 2 plus 3 because they are having the same sort. Recall, in any time you are dealing with sort and have the same sort, as you can see here, they are both having the same sort. So all I need to do is add the coefficient. So I will say A plus C, then you have the same sum, which is root B. Now this case also the same thing. We have 2 plus 3, then the root 3 all over 6. So the answer here is 5 root 3. Okay, let me write this well. Answer here is 5 root 3 all over 6.